Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Sumaya binti Mizan, ID 221155077. Today, I am going to show you how to create a simple web app that collects user information and stores it in a database. Let's get started. The first step is to set up the database. Open PHP MyAdmin and create a new database. Name Sumo. Then create a table called Su with 4 columns: ID, name, email, and section. The ID column will be our primary key and should auto-increment with each new record. This ensures every user has a unique identifier automatically. In this table, ID is the primary key and it will automatically increase with each new entry. We also ensure that the ID is unique for each user without us needing to manually input it. Next, we will create the user interface using HTML. Here's the form of code. This form allows users to enter their name, email, and section and sends the data to a PHP script for processing. Now, we will write the submit.php script to process the form data and save it into the database. Here's the code. Notice here that when we insert the data, we don't need to specify the ID because it automatically increments with each new record. The database handles assigning a unique ID to every new user. Place both index.php and submit.php in the htdocs folder of XAMPP. Start the XAMPP server and open the form in your browser. Fill out the form. And submit it. Check PHP MyAdmin to verify that the data has been saved to the Su table and notice that the ID column automatically increments. In just a few steps, we have created a fully functional web app that collects user data and stores it in a database with an auto-incrementing ID. The ID column acts as a unique identifier for each user, automatically assigned by the database. You can expand this project with additional features like form validation or user authentication. Thank you so much for watching this video.